Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akram and you're watching Knowledge 360. In this video, I'll show you how to create a snake game using C language. Just like you can see, I'm playing the C language developed snake game. It's a very popular game you must have played somewhere. So in this video, I'll tell you how to create it with code explanation. So watch the video till the end to get the concept of snake game using C language completely. So guys, after developing this project, you can play the snake game just like you might have played somewhere. So you need to use up, down and right and left arrows of your keyboard to move the snake just like you do in mobile phones, and foods are provided at the several coordinates that are randomly generated of the screen for the snake to eat, just like you have played in the snake game. And every time snake eats the food, its length will be increased by one element that will be represented by a star. So guys, let's start. So these header files are used here and some macros are defined here, up, down, right and left, and these all are the user defined functions I have taken in use here. And one structure is taken, that coordinate is x, y and in direction. So from here the actual main function is started. When main function started, first load function is executed, then we define the border, food, life by default is given 3 extra lives. So these are the things that are defined and all the things are user defined here, and I have taken here, and casually I have given comment lines to understand the code completely. So you can download this source code from the video link description, and you can also play this on your system. So like this code is very simple and easy to understand. If even if you have doubt regarding this coding, you can ask me in comment section, or you can write me in the to the mail address that I have provided you. So these are the things. So here are few instructions. At first, when you execute this game, these instructions will come. These are the normal instructions to play the game, like you need to use arrows, and every time you eat food, its length is increased by one element, and all those things are here. So you can get these instructions once when you compile this. And one more thing is there, your score is recorded in a file, record.txt file. Your score is along with your name, those are recorded every time you play the game, so you can see your previous score. So these are all about the code is very simple. I invite you to improve this, if even if you wish to. Otherwise you can download it and play this game. So let's start the game. Guys, here I'm using dev C++ compiler. If you don't have this in your system, you can download it from the description link, from the link that I have given you in the video description. It's very easy and simple to download and install. I hope you can do it, or you can take assistance of any Google search. So after this is done, now click on compile and run. So this is the window that opened up. Now welcome to the snake game. Now press any key to continue. I am pressing spacebar. Now here is the instruction. Let's see the instruction first. Use array keys to move the snake. You will be provided foods that will be represented by F at the random coordinates of the screen. That window we have there, you will get random at the random coordinates of the screen, so which you need to eat. Just like you play in mobile games, to make score, you every time you eat food, your score is updated and the length is increased by one element. That's your score. And also on the screen you will have score there, and here you are provided with 3 extra lives. Your life will decrease as you hit the wall. That normal, that you when you hit the wall or you hit yourself, snake's body, your life will be decreased by 1. So you can pause the game while playing by pressing any key. Normally you press enter or space to pause and continue again. So and if you want to exit, you press escape. So now press any key to play the game. I'm pressing spacebar. Now it's loading. So all these things are developed using basic C language. I hope you can understand it, and you should try in your system and try to improve this if you can improve the game. So this loading is completed. Now press any key to continue. So the game has started. Here I am pausing the game by pressing spacebar. So the game is paused. Again I'll start again resume the game. So game is resumed. You can see the lives here that are given 3 and score is 0. As soon I eat this food, my score is updated and the length is increased by 1 element. So like this game goes on. Let's play this for a few time. So the foods are generating here randomly at the screen, and you can see that my score is updated. Now it's my score is 5 and also length is increasing. So this is difficult one. I have to be aware of the wall. Till now I have scored 7. See here I hit snake's body, so my life is decreased by 1. I will again hit my body to show you. Please see carefully. Now again I hit my body and life is decreased. Now this time I will hit the wall of the screen, so life again decreased and it's 0 now. Now my score is 8. Now it's 9. Now it's 10. So enough for the game. Let's do suicide. So the game is over. All lives completed. Better luck next time. Press any key to quit the game. So I am giving space and enter your name to record your score. So my score was 10. So now press Y if you want to see your past records. I'm pressing Y. So these are my past records that I have played. See, this is the last time I played with score 11, and also I played few times before showing you the game. Those are the previous score under this name. So these are the things that we have in this snake game. I hope you understand the game and you really enjoyed the game. So guys, if you like the video, please press like button and subscribe my channel to get the updates. Also I have uploaded few and lots of project videos. You can see from by checking playlist, or you can visit my YouTube channel to see more videos there, and I hope you will like them. And so let's meet in the next video with another project. So till then, take care, bye bye. Subscribe my channel to get the updates of the videos. Thank you.